Hi, you're with Dennis Phoenix at ISE 2020 on the Laser World booth, and here I'm showing you one of our latest systems. It's our new Tarm 18. It's a full color system using new modules that we've manufactured and designed, semiconductor modules for red, green and blue, and the new modules have enabled our system to be small and compact. So it's an 18-watt system with very good beam specifications. It's got a 4.5mm beam size from the aperture and 0.9 mRad divergence, meaning the unit is fantastic for high power graphics over long distances, as well as great beam effects from concerts and festivals, stadiums, etc. In a small compact housing. It has a sealed housing, so all the dust and dirt and smoke, fog fluid, etc. is being protected from the enclosure. So all the optic section is really low maintenance. So we have the unit with different integrated options. So you have different integrated options with our own standard ShowNet card, and also Pangolin FP4 system can be integrated. Our standard ShowNet card is fantastic for DMX direct control from DMX controllers such as Avelites and Grand Amaze. So it's a really versatile unit that can be used for many applications, and the new pricing, the new so small compact size is really a winner. And you can go to www.laserworld.com to get the full specifications and see some images of the actual unit in action.